Assalam-o-Alaikum. Heartily welcome from softdatain. Sorry for late video as we were so busy. So, this is our first class of MS Excel. Soon we will upload more videos on it too. So, the basic settings of MS Excel is same as MS Word, like how to set page layout settings, and in this video we will discuss Home tab. Click page layout, then click orientation and then click landscape. As you clicked on it, you can see that a dotted line is shown in our document which tells us our printed area. After this, we will set its size to A4. Now we can see that our area is increased now. To expand it more, set the margins to narrow. If you want to change the height of your row, just move your mouse to here. When it changes its shape like this, press the left click and move your mouse to up and down to change its shape. So if you want to change the wideness of your column, move your mouse to the line between two columns. When mouse cursor changes its shape, keep on pressing left click and move your mouse right or left to change its wideness. After this, select any of box to add text. As we have already discussed in detail how to modify text in MS Word, so it's too similar in MS Excel too. But I will revise it for you. You can change the font format from here and size from here. You can even bold the text by pressing Ctrl+B or click here. To italic, click here or Ctrl+I. Or to underline it by pressing Ctrl+U or click here. You can even select your favorite color from here. You can color the box from here. Alright, you can change the position of text from here. Before writing anything, first you should select the area of your work within the borders of dotted line. Move your mouse to here, select all the borders from here. Now you can see our selected area is highlighted. So When you give printing command to your PC, it will print the column and rows of selected work area. To name your sheet, double click here. To add new sheet, click here. So, this is the first lecture of MS Excel. Hope you liked it. Soon we will upload next one. If you have any question or problem, you can contact us at our Facebook page, blog, Instagram, Twitter, or even mail us at softdatain@gmail.com. Thank you. Take care of your friends, family, and relatives. Stay in the protection of the Almighty Allah.